Good morning, children. Today we are going to see, it is term 2, children. We are going to start, and today's session we are going to start with science for 3rd standard, and the lesson name is food. Okay, children. So this is a term 2 syllabus, children. So those who have not bought your books, please buy it. Then it's available in our school, children. So those who have the book, those who have bought the book, you can take page number 37, and the lesson name is food. Now, see the page number 37, children. So, it's a picture given here, that is red, yellow and green. 3 colors are there. The food items which should be avoided are indicated by dash color they have given. Next, the food items which are healthy are indicated by dash color. The food items which can be eaten in small quantities are indicated by dash color. Now, first they have given like candies, ice creams, all the chocolates they have given. So, that is red color, children. That is, the food items should be avoided are indicated by red color. What color, children? Red color. Okay, that is like candies, chocolates, ice creams. You have to avoid these type of food. Then food items which are healthy. Healthy means that is here in the green color given here. Like carrot is given here, banana, then water, then nuts, potatoes, all these are given. So these are the healthy food for you. So the second one is healthy food is green color. Okay, children, so it's given as green. Then the food items which can be eaten in small quantities are indicated by dash color. That is fish, then egg, then prawn, then meat, all these also in small quantities you have to use. That is given in the yellow color. Okay, children, now do you understand? So what are the food you should avoid? What you should eat in small quantities, and what are the items which should be it's a healthy food for you. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the lesson now. That is food nutrients. Nutrients, that is ஊட்டச்சத்துன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, that is given to. Why do you eat every day? What happens if you don't eat sometimes? Okay, why do you eat every day? They have asked. Why do we eat, children? We eat to be healthy, right? Then what happens if you don't eat sometimes? If you don't eat means what happens? But so we'll feel like what we say. That is, see now, every day we feel hungry and then eat something, right? So we feel hungry and then so that is 3 times we eat, right? If we don't eat means we'll feel tired or something like that. So we feel hungry and then eat something. Our body is telling us that it needs food. So our body says it needs food. So why do we need food? They have asked the question. So first point is, food gives us energy to work and play. So when we eat food, what happens? Food gives us energy to work. Okay, like we are reading, then we are what we are doing, we are playing like this. So it gives us energy. Then food builds our body. Then food keeps us healthy. So if we eat food only, we can be healthy, then we can do our work, then we can play. So this gives us energy. When we eat food, what it gives us? It gives us energy, and from energy what we do? We work, then we play, and then it keeps us healthy also. Okay, children? Then we eat different food items such as raw and some are cooked. That is raw and cooked. Raw means பச்சையா சாப்பிட்றோன்னு சொல்கிறேன். Raw means that is பச்சையா இருக்கிற ஃபுட் எல்லாமே வந்து raw. Okay, cooked means சமைச்சதுன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா. Raw and cooked. Each of these food items contains different nutrients. There are 5 main nutrients. How many nutrients, children? 5 main nutrients. Okay, how many, children? 5. 5 main nutrients. First one is carbohydrates, then proteins, then fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, children, so these are the 5 main nutrients in our body. Okay, what are the 5 nutrients, children? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. So once again I'll say, what are the 5? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now first we'll see the carbohydrates. So first we'll see what is it, children? Carbohydrates. Now our body needs energy to do work, play and do other activities. Okay, so what we need energy. Our body needs energy to do work. ஏதாவது ஒரு வேலை செய்யணும், விளையாடணும்னாலும் வேறு ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டி செய்யணும், நமக்கு என்ன தேவை? We need energy. Then carbohydrates are energy giving food. Okay, carbohydrates are energy giving food. Okay children, carbohydrate gives us energy. Okay, these are the carbohydrates gives us energy. And what other we'll see, like rice, wheat, godhuma, potato, sugar cubes, that karkandi, and bread. All these are the energy giving food. So we have to take lot of these things which contains carbohydrates. So daily we eat rice. Okay, wheat, that is we make chapatis like that. Then potato. So everybody, all the children like potatoes, right? Then sugar cubes and bread. So these are the rich in carbohydrates like rice, wheat, potato, and what children? Ice cubes, sugar cubes and bread. Okay, all these are there. So carbohydrates are energy giving food, and energy giving food, what are the? Rice, wheat, potato, etc. Then next we'll go to the proteins. Now what is proteins? Proteins build, maintain and replace the tissues in our body. So proteins, what they do? They build, they maintain it and replace means that is put back. Okay, ஏதாவது ஆச்சுன்னா அதை நமக்கு திருப்பியும் அதை நமக்கு வந்து ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணும். They'll put back the tissues are nothing but a group of cells in our body, and they are also known as body building food. That is, carbohydrates, it's an energy giving food. Proteins are body building food. Body building food. Okay children, they are the body building food and they are examples. So what and all we can eat? That is fish, milk, egg, nuts and sprouted seeds. Sprouted seeds means pairin solaniya adu. So fish, you know what is fish? Then milk, egg, nuts and sprouted seeds. Okay, so all these are the body building food. Do you understand children? So proteins are the body building food. So what and all we can eat in the, that is what are the proteins there? Fish, milk, egg, nuts and sprouted seeds. Okay children? Then fats we'll see. So what are the next one is? Fats. Okay, fats provide energy to us. They act as the body's energy reservoir, that is storage. Okay, energy reservoir, this is the energy. They store the energy reservoir. Okay children, then fat also helps to keep the body warm during very cold weather. So now we are having the cold weather, right? So this fat, what happens in our body, it keeps our body warm during the cold weather. Too much fat in the body may lead to obesity or overweight. Obesity means overweight. குண்டா இருக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான் ஒபெசிட்டிங்கிறது. வெயிட் நிறைய இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம என்ன ஆகும்? வெயிட் ஏற நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும்? நம்ம வந்து குண்டாகும் இல்லையா? So will become fat. So obesity or overweight. Some food items that contain fat are cheese, butter, ghee, meat, oil and nuts. So these are the fat that gives us, it's an energy reservoir. So what are that we can eat here? What's cheese? So all these have fat in this. Butter, ghee, then oil and nuts. So all these food have the fat in that. So energy reservoir. Then next is the vitamins children. So next we'll go to the vitamins. Our body needs vitamins to work properly. They protect our body from deficiency diseases, that is deficiency diseases. So they protect our body from deficiency diseases. Example, that is, what are the deficiency diseases we cannot find? That's carrot. This protects us from the deficiency diseases. Carrot, gooseberry, papaya and greens. Okay. So papaya and greens. So what are the children? Vitamins protect the body from the deficiency diseases, and what and all we can eat for this to protect from this deficiency disease? We can have carrot, gooseberry, orange, papaya and greens. Okay. The next we'll go to the minerals. In that minerals help in the formation of blood, bone, teeth, etc. So formation of blood, okay. Blood circulation alla irukona body la minerals you have to take. Then bone, okay. Bones should be good earlier than teeth. So to maintain this help in the formation of that, you have, that is, they regulate the body function. So minerals help in to regulate the body functions. Regulate the body function. Okay, children. Then for example, you can see fig, that is athin solranya. Then pear, berica, garlic, then banana and apple. So these are the examples for this. If you take these food for that, you can get minerals in your body like fig, pear, garlic, banana and apple. Okay, children. So these are the, so did you understand now, children? So these are the 5 main nutrients, that is carbohydrates, energy giving food, rice, wheat, potato and bread are the example. If you take these food items, it's carbohydrates you'll get in your body. Then proteins, if you want to get proteins more in your body, that is body, it's a body building food, that is fish, milk, egg, nuts, sprouts and seeds. Then fats, it's an energy reservoir. So what are the food? You have that fat, cheese, butter, ghee, oil and nuts. If you take these food items, that's a fat in your body, right? Then vitamins, these are the, it protects a body from deficiency disease, okay? Protects a body from deficiency disease. If you take these food items like carrot, orange, gooseberry, papaya and greens. Greens means then minerals, regulate the body function. If you eat fig, pear, garlic, banana and apple. So these are the 5 main nutrients, student. Did you understand this, children? Next. Next, you have given, children, that is energy giving food. Okay, energy giving food. So you have to write the example. For example, you can write rice, then wheat, then what you can write? Potato and bread. Okay, children. So all these are energy giving food. So you have to write there in that box. Those who have the book, you can see the box is given there. You can write that. Next is a body protecting food items. That is carrot, orange and greens. Okay, children, these are the body protecting food items. Okay, now already I have taken this for you. They have asked this. Then what are the body building food items? Body building food items. Okay, that is fish, milk, egg and nuts. Okay, children, right? So these are the 3. So body building food items, that is fish, milk, egg and nuts. Okay, children. Now see here in the right side, in the left side, they have given that be sensitive. That is, most children love to eat food items like burgers, pizzas and chocolates, which are not good for health, right? They make children to gain extra weight. That is, you make overweight or obesity. You can say obesity, that is overweight. You can become fat. So if you eat like pizza, chocolates, burgers like this, avoid eating unhealthy food. So these burgers, pizza, chocolates, all these are unhealthy food for you. So you have to avoid eating it. Avoid eating it. Then I need nutritious food to stay healthy. So nutritious food you have to take. A healthy snack maybe includes sprouts, that is pyrene soda, fruits, take more fruits and salads. Okay, children. Then next is the next they have given what are the nutrients present in the following food items. Now first, rice contains, so this you have seen, children. Those who have not taken down it in your book, children, and those who don't have the book, take down in your rough notebook and learn, children. So those who have not bought the book, it's available in our school, children, you can come and get it. And this is page number 40, children, they have given. That is A. What are the nutrients present in the following food items? That is, rice contains carbohydrates. Okay, rice contains carbohydrates. Then coconut oil contains fats. So what is that, children? Coconut oil contains fats. Then egg contains proteins. Egg contains proteins. Then fig contains minerals. Fig contains minerals and carrot contains vitamins. Okay, children? So do you understand this? So rice contains carbohydrates, coconut oil contains fats, egg contains proteins, fig minerals and carrot contains vitamins. Then next is B. Fill in the table given below. Same page, that is nutrients, why do you need it, and sources they have given. So first point they have given in the book, that is carbohydrates given there. Then why do you need it? They give us energy to work and play. What are the sources there? Wheat. Sources is wheat. Okay. The next they have asked vitamins. Next, first is carbohydrates. Next they have asked vitamins. So for vitamins, protect our body from deficiency diseases. Protect our body from deficiency diseases. Okay, children. So what is the sources given there? Already it's given there for you, carrot. Then third is, it's not given for you, but it is proteins. Okay, proteins. They help to build our body. So what is the sources here? Milk. Okay. The next, fats. Reservoir of energy. And what sources they have asked? Any source you can write. Okay. That is nuts. Any food item which is in the food. Okay. Contains fats. Then minerals is minerals. Regulates the body function. Regulates the body function. And what are the sources you can give? Apple. Okay. Right, children? So do you understand this? Then next is a balanced diet. Okay. Do you understand this, children? So those who have the book, you can take down in your book, children. So in the page number 40. The next is a balanced diet. Balanced diet. Okay, children. So what is balanced diet? Diet refers to the food we eat. Okay, diet. Okay, what we eat is a diet, right? A balanced diet contains all nutrients. All nutrients means what I said, all nutrients in the right amount. It also includes fiber and water. Fiber, that is food and water. It helps in the growth and development of our body. So a balanced diet contains all nutrients in the right amount, that is the correct amount. It includes fiber and water, and it helps in the growth and development of our body. Then the quantity of nutrients required by body and the sources can be shown in a food pyramid. So this is a food pyramid, children. There is a picture given here, food pyramid. The food item that should be eaten in the least amount, is kept at the top of the pyramid. And the balanced diet food pyramid is shown here. So see here, children, it's a food pyramid. Okay, right? So first what given, it's in the least amount that we should avoid it. Okay, that is chocolates, candies, all that's given there. Okay, cool drinks like. Then the next what it's given, that is fish, meat, then curd, this and all it's given here, right? Fish, then meat, then curd, all these in the second, that is in the least amount we are going. Next is what and all you should more we eat, that is tomatoes here, that is vegetables. Okay, I'll write here as commonly as vegetables. Okay, so what are the vegetables? And fruits also. Okay, vegetable and fruits both are there, like banana, then carrot, cauliflower, potato, all these are fruits and vegetables both you can eat. So more amount you should eat is given here, that is fibrous food, that is potato, chapatis, rice, all these. Okay, see here, rice is given here, then potatoes, then chapatis, all is given here. So these are the more amount here, the least amount here at the top. So it's given already clearly given that the food item that should be eaten the least amount is kept at the top of the pyramid. That is நீங்கள் கம்மியாக சாப்பிட வேண்டியது டாப்பில் இருக்குது சரியா. தட் இஸ் வாட் நீங்கள் கம்மியாக சாப்பிட்றது என்னது அது சாக்லேட்ஸ் கூல் ட்ரிங்க்ஸ் ஐஸ் இதெல்லாமே வந்து லீஸ்ட் அமௌண்ட் here. தென் நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நீங்கள் ஜாஸ்தியாக சாப்பிட வேண்டியது என்னது ஃபிஷ் இஸ் தேர், மீட் இஸ் தேர், ஆல் திஸ் கர்ட் எவ்ரி திங். தென் இந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் நீங்கள் ஜாஸ்தி என்ன சாப்பிட வேண்டியது இருக்குது ஃப்ரூட்ஸ் அண்ட் vegetables. You have to eat more, okay, fruits and vegetables. More, next is a fibrous food, that is rice, potato, then wheat, all these you have to eat more, okay children. So this is a food pyramid, okay, food pyramid. From the least amount we are starting, okay, this is the least amount, then one by one we are going, okay children. The next is a roughage. So roughage is also known as fiber. Roughage is also known as one of the fiber. Okay children, it's an indigestible food. That is indigestible na jeeranam ஆகாதுன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா. Indigestible food that your body cannot absorb. உங்க பாடி எது absorb பண்ணாம இருக்குதோ indigestible food இருக்கோ அதுதான் roughage ன்னு சொல்றோம் சரியா. It is present in food such as legumes, whole grains and vegetables. Then milk is a complete balanced diet. So what is a complete balanced diet? Milk is a complete balanced diet that you should take. It contains all the nutrients, okay, right? Then roughage, I told you, that is a fiber which is indigestible in your body. And next we have given children, let us find, that is unscrambled words given there. You have to write the correct one. That is, first one is vitamin. First one is vitamin. Okay children, so unscrambled words. The next is a mineral. Then third one is a milk. Fourth one, water. All these unscrambled children, you have to arrange it properly. Then ghee. Then rice. Then egg and fish. Okay children, these are the unscrambled words. You can write it easily. And till here I have finished children. So in the next class we'll continue with the lesson. Okay children, thank you.